Based on our extensive experience in cleaning field products, Wipro SUI Clean has the third-generation Wipro cleaning technology with co-solvent, which is designed for efficient cleaning of microstandard components. Major cleaning applications include clean after die bond, clean of 3D package, SIP and microwave assembly clean, clean before chip packaging, clean before PCB coating, apply for assemblies of water-free cleaning, and factory which does not permit wastewater discharge. Wipro SUI Clean adopts the unique double-flow SUI cleaning technology, which with high-flow spring under immersion sump up to 300 liters per minute. Spring under immersion sump accompanied with bubbly and vertically alternated basket to stir the cleaning agent. Wipro SUI Clean can achieve perfect cleaning result without ultrasonic. Double condensation system and double seal technology strictly control the utilization of solvent. No harm to operator and environment friendly. Multi-cycles, Wipro rinse and cleaning process can be set flexibility according to cleaning application. Liquid water separator and refrigerating machine are built in the equipment to reduce installation and equipment space.